Okay, this is going to be a very quick one. If this doesn't concern you, it might be in future. You might make similar mistakes. So you learn it, share the knowledge as well in case you meet someone else that might need such knowledge or help. Someone chat me up this morning. It's a student I know actually. This person under PGD education. As you know, all the groups are available for all the programs in now. Okay, this person has been asking me this morning. He asked privately. I was away. Here it is. He asked privately. I was away. He said, I went to fund my wallet by using ATM card. That's the same email. Then he sent it digital. He only said good evening last night. So before replying, it was already this morning. Had he been here, he resent the whole message last night. This good evening that I sent here would have been the response directly. But some people would like to get your attention by greeting you and then coming back later to say whatever they want to say. It's just by choice. So he says he funded his wallet, but he could not write down the remitter retrieval reference number, which is the most important thing in this case to fund your wallet. He said that his email is not active. So in this case, even if your email is active, in some cases, you may not receive a mail from remitter immediately. So what do? Having treated this similar issue, you don't have remitter number. What you do is this. Send an email to support@remitter.net. What will you send? The subject of the email is a request for my lost RRR, remitter retrieval reference. We're not talking about receipt here. We're talking about the number that will enable you credit your wallet. Indicate the amount, the date of payment, then the mode of transaction. Did you use USSD or did you use card? Maybe MasterCard, Visa card. Did you use online channel or anyone, ATM as he said? So how did you do it? Then the transaction reference number covers a lot. It's very important. It usually comes with the alert you receive after you are debited for any transaction. They have reference number. With that reference number, any associating information can be retrieved. So it's very necessary. Also add the amount you paid. That way they will be able to be sure that you actually made a payment, and it will be easier for them to trace and send you the RRR. You can then go ahead and fund your wallet. So that's it. You tell them that you lost your the remitter retrieval reference of the above transaction. Within 48 hours, you should get a response, but send it between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. too, while they are in the office. Though they should be 247, but do it smartly.